How to link Roblox account to Discord. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can link Roblox account to Discord. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're using the Discord mobile application, the connection feature is not available directly in the application. So for that, you have to log in via the web browser through the discord.com. So you can either go to your mobile and then head over to discord.com and make sure that you switch into the desktop site view, or you could open up your PC, open up a new tab and head over to discord.com and log in into your account. So once you log in via your web site or to the web browser, head over to the settings. Once you're under your settings, navigate to the menu bar on your left hand side. There you will find an option as connection. So click on connections. Once you're here, it says add accounts to your profile. From here, you could head over to view more, click on it, and there you have Roblox. Click on Roblox. Now you have to log in into your Roblox account if you're already not logged in. Here I'm already logged in into this device, so I'll just click on continue. But if you're not logged in into Discord in this or Roblox in this device, you may be prompted to log in. So confirm your login details, then click on continue. Now once you're connected, you will see a connected your Roblox account to Discord message on your screen. So that's it. That's how you can link Roblox account to Discord. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.